Hey everyone, so you want to get your hands on Adobe Premiere Pro, but you're worried about downloading the wrong file. You should be. The internet is full of fake free versions that are actually packed with malware and trojans. Today I'm going to show you how to safely download the official authorized version of Premiere Pro for free on both PC and Mac. No sketchy sites, no risks. First, safety is key. Do not search for this on random download sites. I have placed the official direct link to Adobe's secure server right in the description below. Go ahead and click that now. It guarantees you are landing on the real Adobe website and not a dangerous malware site. Once you're on the official page, look for the button that says Start Free Trial. This is the legitimate way to access all Premiere Pro features for free. Adobe offers a 7-day trial with full capabilities. Choose the individual plan and click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll need to create a secure Adobe account using your email address. They will ask for payment details here, but don't panic. Look at the screen. The amount to be charged today is $0. I would suggest pulling out your phone and setting a reminder for 6 days from now. This gives you the full week to edit for free, and you can decide then if you want to keep it or cancel before the trial ends. After you confirm, the site will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is Adobe's authorized installer. Run it and log in. This app manages the security and updates for you. In the app, find Premiere Pro and click Install. This pulls the clean, virus-free files directly from the cloud to your computer. Once the download finishes, click Open. You now have the industry-standard video editor running safely on your machine, ready for your first project. And that's it. You've got the real deal, safe and sound. Again, use the official link in the description to ensure you stay safe. If this guide gave you peace of mind, please hit that like button and subscribe for more safe tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing!